Hi, my name's Philip, and I'm from the Hamilton Museum of Steam and Technology. Today, I'm going to show you how to make a simple compass. Here's what you'll need. A small styrofoam plate, a plastic condiment container with a lid, a metal mini paperclip, 2 small round craft magnets, some scrap cardstock or paper, a pair of scissors, and a pen. First, you'll need to cut a circle out of the center of your styrofoam plate. Place the plate onto the scrap paper, and then place the container in the center of the plate. Carefully trace around it with your pen. Ask an adult to help you cut out the circle with a knife, or you can cut it out by applying a bit of pressure to the foam while tracing the circle repeatedly with the pen. Trace your foam circle onto the paper and cut it out to make an identical copy. Fold your paper circle in half, and then fold it in half again to make a quarter circle. Crease it well, and then lay it on top of your foam circle. Using the creases as a guide, poke through both circles with the end of your pen at the center point and also a few millimeters to the left and right along one of the creases. Remove your paper circle and use your pen, or ask an adult to use a knife, to cut a small slot in the foam circle, connecting your dots. Fold your paper circle in half and use the straight edge to draw a line from the center to the edge of your foam circle, perpendicular to the slot. This will be your compass arrow. Place your paper circle flat on the table. Next, place your plate on top so that the paper circle perfectly fills the hole in the center. It might be helpful to use some tape to secure them to the table. Using the creases as a guide, mark the 4 cardinal directions onto the foam plate. Bend the big end of your paperclip 90 degrees so that it makes a T shape. Push the big end of the paperclip through the slot in your foam circle so that it protrudes from the bottom, and then attach a magnet to both sides. Fill your container with water about halfway, and then float your foam disc in it with the magnet facing down. If your compass arrow is pointing south, simply remove the magnets and put them back on facing the opposite direction. Put the lid on the container and pop it into the hole of your foam plate. And you're done. Because your compass needle is floating in water, it can freely spin. The magnets underneath will be pulled north by Earth's magnetic field, so the needle should point in that direction even when you spin the compass.